Packing for a trip can be challenging. You try to fit all your outfits and personal items in your carry-on, but sometimes it just isn't enough space for all you need to bring, and a checked bag is a must. But when your luggage doesn't arrive at your final destination, what do you do? In this video, we'll walk through exactly how to handle this situation and what you can do to prevent the airline from losing your luggage. Picture this. After a long flight, you head to the baggage carousel and patiently wait for your luggage to appear on the belt, but after carefully examining each bag that passes by, you realize that your bag did not make it. Here's what to do. First, don't panic. It is very likely your bag can easily be relocated. Stay calm and head to the airline's baggage service office or counter. Provide them with your baggage claim tag and flight details so they can look up the location of the last scan of your bag. They will be able to determine where your bag is and how quickly they can locate it and bring it to you. If your bag is officially delayed, work with customer service to report it as missing, and request a form of written documentation from the airline of the delayed bag. You'll want this information when you file your claim. Visit the airline's website and start filing a claim for your missing bag. You will need this so you can get compensated for your incidental costs. Make sure you clearly specify to the customer service representative where you need your bags to be delivered, as it is their responsibility to bring it to your requested address. While you're waiting for your baggage to arrive, go ahead and shop for the essential items that you will need to get through the next day or so, such as clothing and toiletry items. Just be sure to save your receipts because the airline is going to have to reimburse you for these items. Airlines are not only responsible for locating your delayed bags, but they also owe you compensation for any incidental costs that you incur while you are waiting for your missing items. If the airline determines that your bag is lost, it is responsible for compensating you for the packed items. If you visit the Department of Transportation's website and search for lost, delayed or damaged baggage, you'll see the full requirements of what airlines owe you in this critical situation. For domestic flights, you could get reimbursed up to $3,800 per passenger, and for international flights, you could get reimbursed up to $1,700 per passenger. But you must do your due diligence and file a claim with the airline as soon as possible. Airlines are also required to refund you your baggage fees. Outside of what the airlines owe you, you should also review the credit card benefits of the card you utilized to purchase the flight. Often these cards include travel benefits such as baggage delay or lost luggage reimbursement. While the airline is primarily responsible for any baggage delays, there are some things you can do to make it less likely to occur. When booking your flight, pay attention to connection times. Most airlines will sell you a ticket with a connection time of less than an hour, but this is rarely enough time to get off one plane and board the next one, let alone enough time to unload your bag and reload it on the next plane before it departs. If you're checking a bag on a connecting flight, aim for a 90-minute minimum window of connection time in the airport. Whenever possible, book a direct flight. Download the airline's app. Most airlines have the ability to track your bag in the app so you know when it's been loaded and unloaded from the plane. This will help you get a sense of where it is if it doesn't show up on time. Purchase your own tracking device. There are helpful gadgets available to help you track your luggage from your phone. One such option is the Apple AirTag, which is a very popular option for iPhone users who want an easy way to monitor their live luggage location throughout their trip. Your arrival time at the airport can also be a crucial factor. If you arrive too early, your bag could end up in a holding area and get left behind when they load the rest of the bags on the plane. If you arrive after the airline's cutoff time to check a bag, then your bag won't make it on the plane because there isn't enough time to route it there. It's best to plan to arrive 2.5 hours to 1.5 hours before your flight's departure if you are checking a bag. Be careful about what you pack. Try to avoid packing anything that is irreplaceable or critically important in your checked bag. Don't pack small valuables such as cash, credit cards or jewelry. Nor should you include expensive gadgets, medication, keys, passports, or business documents in your checked bag. It's also recommended to pack one spare outfit and essential toiletry items with you in your carry-on just in case your bag is ever delayed. Has your bag ever been delayed? Tell us about your experience in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Travel IQ for more travel tips and tricks.